Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can screen record with sound on your Motorola Edge 40. For that you want to go to your drop down menu, swipe to your left and then you swipe another time to your left, and then you have screen recorder here. While recording, Android system can capture any sensitive information that's visible on your screen or played on your device. This includes password, payments, info, photos, messages and audio. So we say start now. We have a countdown and now we can make some settings. We can, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. We can enable our little camera here. So the selfie cam, we can make settings about the audio, microphone, system sound, mic and system sound or mute. We want my voice to be recorded as well. So we turn that on and then we can also write on it. I don't know if you're able to see that. Yeah, I think so. So we can do that, and if we're done we can stop our recording and then we can go to our photos and then library, screen record, and here we have our video. Write on it. I don't know if you're able to see that. Yeah. And there we have my voice, so that worked just fine. So that's how you can screen record on your Motorola Edge 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.